I'm going to the store. You're like, I wasn't expecting that, but yeah, I'm going to the store. Gonna go get some stuff for some chili dogs tonight. Onion, some chili. What else? Hot dog bun. We already have the hot dogs, so decided to do a video. Haven't done one in a little bit, so I've been focusing more on my gaming channel. I played the game DayZ, D-A-Y-Z. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go over there. It's a beautiful day. Fall is definitely here. Flowers everywhere, and leaves everywhere, which I should have said. I'm like, flowers are everywhere. Wait a second. I mean, leaves are everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Anyways, today is a beautiful day. Going to Fred Meyer in Puyallup. We're not far from it. Chasing down a FedEx truck. Okay, not really chasing. Don't report me. People with their families are out with their kids, enjoying the nice weather. Man, you cannot get any more beautiful than this. You know, just really peaceful here in Fife. So I would be playing music most of the time, but because I'll probably get a copyright infringement when uploading this to YouTube, I just don't do that. And there goes. There's another speedometer radar thing up here that tells you your speed. We'll open it up a little bit, but we'll doing it reasonably, but not too fast. Up here there's a sign that says no street racing according to the ordinance of the city of Fife. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, just open it up a little bit, nothing too much. Start just letting it cruise back down to 35 miles an hour. But anyways, mostly I just set it to cruise control and boom, and just enjoy the ride. So yeah, so how are you guys doing today? You know, you don't have to comment, you guys don't have to subscribe. I just like showing the content that I have. I'm not a popular YouTuber, that's okay, you know, just chill Asian. Other than that, man, it's just been relaxation. After I got my degree, we're just waiting for aviation jobs to open up so we can get employed, make some money, use that knowledge. Go into sports mode. And just normal. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I love the CVT. It's one of my favorite cars. I know the CVT isn't really out there as much as other vehicles, you know. It's not very popular. A lot of people don't like them because it's not a stick, but it's not an automatic. So it's an in-between, baby. It's an in-between. CVT. I love it. I love my CVT. Haters gonna hate, lovers gonna love. I can't finish the rest of the song, but yeah. Don't know the words, first of all. Yeah. I'm in a good mood. Anyways. This is the road that goes along the river that head towards the Fred Meyer that we're going to be going into. And just to let you know, I will not be filming on the inside. I don't want someone to get like freaked out, but we have our mask, which is good. Yep, we have our mask. Once I forgot it, I had to go back home to go get it. but I always keep an extra one in here now, so you never know. That's why I have the N95 mask, very nice, as a backup. But yeah, might grab some Red Bull, grab yeah, an onion or white onion. I need some chili. I don't know with beans, because we're doing like chili dogs tonight, so we need we already have the hot dog. Now we need the buns, the onions, and shredded cheese. We have mozzarella, but I don't want shredded mozzarella. I want the cheddar. Cheddar, shredded cheddar. All right, here we go. Man, it is so beautiful. I've been saying this all this time, but it is. Man, I can't wait for Corona to seriously say, you know what, I'm done with y'all. So you guys can enjoy doing the old thing you guys used to. Car meets car shows. Why are you crying, Radar? Yeah, one of my 3 features I like that's cosmetic is this removable tint. So this guy in front of me is from the Navy. Yeah, there is a little car meet over in Auburn this Saturday at the Auburn Super Mall near the Burger King. That's where I'm gonna go. But until then, just chilling. Can't wait for the weekend. But anyways, thanks you guys for swinging by and watching my craziness and my car content. Until next time, I will see you later. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.